how to turn on spell checker in Outlook. So you have two options because in your browser there could be a spell checker option you can toggle on and off, but there will also be a spell checker or something similar here in Outlook itself. So let's go ahead and put in a new email so we can get the option. So you can do whatever you want here, but the option is going to be here in the more options. So press on that one. Over down here below options, there's going to be an editor. So customize your editor. You're gonna have to press on editor settings. So here you'll be able to see the autocorrect. You can turn that on, enable auto capitalization, corrections as well, spelling, which is basically what you're looking for. Just go ahead and turn it on, and grammar as well if you'd like. If you want more options for refinements like clarity, conciseness, formality, and pretty much everything else, there is a premium option you can go ahead and try, but the main ones are over here, which is grammar, spelling, auto capitalization, and autocorrect. So just go ahead and enable those and press on OK. So if you go ahead and take a look, oops, why does it look at that? It's pretty much gonna give you this red line where you can go ahead and choose whether to fix that or not. But that's pretty much how you turn on the spell checker on Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.